Hello everybody, I am Karthik Gupta. Today we are going to discuss the topic surds and indices. See here, in this topic, you have few rules. If you learn those rules means then it will be very easy for you people to solve the problems related to surds and indices. Let us go to discuss the rules. So what are the rules? The first one, see here, the first rule and the basic rule. A power m into a power n, which is equal to a power m plus n. Means what? A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. See, when the bases are same and when you are multiplying the two values, when the bases are same, you can add the powers. For example, see here, 2 square into 2 cube is equal to, according to the rule, 2 power 2 plus 3. According to the rule, 2 power 2 plus 3. So, 2 square means 4, 2 cube means 8, which is equal to 2 power 5, which is equal to 2 power 5. Now, 8 into 4, 32 is equal to 2 power 5, 32. 8 into 4, 32, 2 power 5, 32. So, both are same. LHS is equal to RHS. So, what do you have to do? When the bases are same, base means this one, A is the base. When the bases are same and when you are multiplying the two numbers, then you can add the powers. This is the first rule in surds and indices. Next, let us go on to the second rule. Second one, a power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n is equal to a power m minus n. See, when the bases are same and when you are going to divide the number, then obviously you have to subtract the power of the given number. Therefore, a power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Let us take an example. See here, 2 cube by 2 square. 2 cube by 2 square is equal to 2 power of 3 minus 2. 2 power 3 minus 2. So, 2 cube 8 by 2 square 4 is equal to 2 power 1. So, 4 ones are 4 twos are 8. So, 2 is equal to 2. 2 is equal to 2. LHS is equal to RHS. So, what the rule says? The rule is saying that a power m by a power n. So, when the bases are same, then the answer will be a power m minus n. So, you can subtract the powers. Let us go to the next rule. Rule number 3. See here, a power m into b power m. A power m into b power m is equal to a into b whole power m. A into b whole power m. When the bases are different and the powers are same, then you can multiply the bases and you can keep a power to those multiplied value. See here, for example, 2 square into 3 square. According to the rule, 2 into 3 whole square. So, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, which is equal to 6 square. 36 is equal to 36. 36 is equal to 36. So, LHS is equal to RHS. So, a power m into b power m. When bases are same and the powers are, when the bases are different and the powers are same, then you can adopt rule number 3. Then, what is the next rule? Rule number 4. Rule number 4 says a power m by b power m is equal to a by b whole power m. A by b whole power m. So, a power m by b power m is equal to a by b whole power m. So, very simple. So, next take the example. The example is, see here, 4 square by 2 square is equal to 4 by 2. 4 by 2 whole square. 4 by 2 whole square. So, 4 square is 16. 16 by 4 is equal to 2 square. So, 16 by 4 is 4. 4 is equal to 2 square, that is 4. So LHS is equal to RHS. So A power m by B power m is equal to A by B whole power m. A by B whole power m. Next rule, rule number 5. So what is the rule number 5? See here, nth root of A is equal to A power 1 by n. Nth root of A is equal to A power 1 by n. Example, you can take like this. See here, cube root of 4 is equal to 4 to the power 1 by 3. Okay, so next, fifth root of 3 is equal to 3 power 1 by 5. So this is rule 5. Next, rule 6. What is rule 6? See here, rule 6. A power 0 is equal to 1. A power 0 is equal to 1. Okay, next, any number to the power of 0 you do, you are going to get the value 1. Next, seventh rule. A power minus 1 is equal to 1 by A. A power minus 1 is equal to 1 by A, and A power 1 is equal to 1 by A power minus 1. A power 1 is equal to 1 by A power minus 1. Means what? See, when you are going to transfer the numerator value to the denominator the sign of the power changes. See here, A power minus 1. So that A I am sending to the denominator, then automatically the sign of the power changed, then it is A power 1. In the second condition, A power 1, I am sending that one to the denominator, automatically the sign changes, it is going to become A power minus 1. Okay, so you have 7 rules to discuss. And one more thing, it's very, very important. See here, A power m power n is not equal to A power m into n. A power m into n. Because A power m into n is equal to A power mn. A power mn. But A power m power n is different. Let me take an example. 2 square to the power 3. 2 square to the power 3 is not equal to 2 square into 3. 2 square into 3. So 2 power. So what is 2 cube here? What is 2 cube? 2 cube means 8 is not equal to 2 power. What is 2 into 3? 2 into 3 is 6. So obviously 2 power 8 is not equal to 6. Therefore 2 power 6. Therefore A power m power n is always not equal to A power m into n. Therefore both are different. Okay, both are different. See here, 2 more things you have to understand here. Those are mth root of A into mth root of B is equal to mth root of AB. Okay, mth root of A into mth root of B is equal to mth root of AB. Next, one more thing, mth root of A divided by mth root of B, so which is equal to mth root of A by B. Mth root of A by B. So these two are very, very important laws in the surds and indices. These are other laws. These are called as other laws. Okay, so mth root of A into mth root of B is equal to mth root of AB. Mth root of A divided by mth root of B is equal to mth root of A by B. Mth root of A by B. So you people have learned the basic rules regarding the surds and indices. So how to solve the problems? So what are the rules that has to be adopted to solve the problems related to surds and indices? Almost 10 rules you have learnt already. Okay, you have learnt already 10 rules. Now let us go to the problems. Okay, what type of problems you can expect? Let us see. Okay, let us go to the problem number 1. Problem number 1. 16 to the power of 5 by 4 is equal to what? See here, 16 to the power 5 by 4 is equal to what? See here, if you have a fraction in the numerator, then it is very, very difficult to solve. So you have to remove the fraction. So if you want to remove the fraction means the denominator part has to be cancelled. The denominator part has to be cancelled. If the denominator part has to be cancelled means 4 you can cancel. Okay, so 4 sometimes if you do it will be cancelled. Okay, so 16 here. So 16 to the which base we have to raise the power, so that to the power we are going to get the 4. See, 16 can be written as 2 power 4. So 2 power 4 into 5 by 4. So 4 cancel, you are going to get 2 power 5 which is equal to 32. Which is equal to 32. Option C is the right answer. Very simple, very simple. If you have a fraction in the power, you have to reduce the fraction to the natural number, means the denominator part has to be cancelled. So how we can cancel? In this manner we can cancel. The procedure what I have shown you in this video, in this procedure we can cancel the denominator value. Okay, so the ultimate answer is 32. Let's move on to the next problem. 32 divided by 243 whole power minus 3 by 5. See here, 32 divided by 243 whole power minus 3 by 5. Minus 3 by 5. See, if you have a fraction in the power, you cannot able to simplify. If you have negative sign in the power, then also you cannot simplify. So, if you want to remove the negative power, then what you can do? Remember the rule. What the rule says? A power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m, or a power minus 1 is equal to 1 by a, or a power m is equal to 1 by a power minus m, or a power 1 is equal to 1 by a power minus 1. Means what? If the denominator part is going to be settled in the numerator, and if the numerator is going to come to the denominator, then automatically the power sign is going to change. So we can write this one as 243 divided by 32 whole power 3 by 5. Whole power 3 by 5. So next what we can do? See here, 243 to the power 3 by 5. Next, divided by 32 power 3 by 5. 32 power 3 by 5. So you can split like this. You have a rule. Okay, according to the rule, you can split like this. A by b whole power m is equal to a power m by b power m. See here, a by b whole power m is equal to a power m by b power m. So this is one rule. Okay, this is one rule. So you can adopt this rule. So 243 we can write it as 3 to the power of 5, because in the power we have to cancel the denominator. So into 3 by 5 whole divided by 2 power 5 into 3 by 5. So 5 got cancelled. So ultimately 3 cube by 2 cube you got. So which is equal to 3 cube 27 by 2 cube 8. So the answer is 27 by 8. That is option A. 27 by 8 is the right answer. Okay, let's discuss one more problem. 17 to the power 3 by 5 into 17 to the power 7.3 divided by 17 to the power 4.2 is equal to 17 to the power what? See here, 17 to the power 3.5 into 17 to the power 7.3 divided by 17 to the power 4.2. 17 to the power 4.2 is equal to 17 to the power what? Is equal to 17 to the power what? See here, this is in the form of a power m into a power n. So what you can do for this? A power m plus n, that is 3.5 plus 7.3 divided by 17 power 4.2. So 17 power, how much you are going to get? 10.8 divided by 17 power 4.2. So it is nothing but 17 power 10.8 divided by 17 power 4.2. So this can be written as, see here, a power m by a power n. So this can be written as a power m minus n. So 17 power 10.8 minus 4.2, which is equal to 17 power 6.6. 17 power 6.6. So 6.6 is the answer. Option C, 6.6 is the answer. So very simple to calculate. Okay, let's move on to the next problem. 64 to the power of 4 into 8 power 4 is equal to 64 power what? See here, you want to calculate the answer, that is the value of power, that is it is 64 to the power. It is 64 to the power. So see here, 64 power 4 into, see this 8 power 4 has to be converted into 64 to the power something. 64 to the power something. So 8 power 4, see here, 8 power 4 can be written as 64 square. 8 power 4 can be written as 64 square. See, 8 power 4 means 8 square into 8 square, that is 64 into 64, that is 64 square. So 64 square is equal to 64 to the power what? So it is nothing but 64 to the power of 4 plus 2, which is equal to 64 to the power of 6. So very simple, the final answer is 6. The final answer is 6. Option C, 6 is the right answer. Okay, very simple. We implemented the rule a power m into a power n, that is equal to a power m plus n. Okay, let's move on to the next problem. Cube root of 103,823. So you have to calculate the cube root of 103,823. So how to calculate cube root? Already you people have learned in numbers. Okay, the basics regarding the numbers. There you have learned how to calculate square root, how to calculate square, how to calculate cube, and how to calculate cube root. So these things already you have learned. Okay, I am going to apply those rules. See here, the unit digit is 3. So if you cube some value, okay, you have to get unit digit as 3. So which one you have to cube? 7 cube. 7 cube 343. So for these three values, the unit digit is 3. Therefore the unit digit is 7. See here, see the options. You have 49, 51, 45, 47, and none of these. No decimal fraction is there. Then automatically it is considered as perfect cube. Automatically it is considered as perfect cube. So 7 you got. Now 103. Now 103. See here, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. So this 103 is going to come between 64 and 125. The lower value is 64 and the cube root of 64 is 4. Therefore, the answer is 47. Therefore, the answer is 47. How 47? In detail, already we have told in numbers basics. Okay, so please go through those concepts again and again. Okay, so that you can solve these type of problems very easily. Okay, let's move on to the next problem.